Hey, 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 hey. Shh. It's okay. Shh. It's okay, sweetie. I'm right here. Shh. Come here. Let me hold your hand. Shh. Can you feel my hand against yours? Can you feel it? It feels warm, doesn't it? Doesn't it feel warm? Shh. Can you feel me interlacing your fingers? Can you feel me interlace them in between mine? Can you feel me rub your thumb with mine? Shh. Shh. Can you hear me speaking to you? Can you hear my voice? Shh. Can you smell the aroma of the diffuser in the room? Smell the lavender. Breathe in. Breathe out. Can you taste the mint in your mouth? Taste its strong flavor. Can you see me in front of you? See my eyes, my face. Can you feel the words coming to your ears? You can hear them, can't you? It's all gonna be okay. Go to sleep, okay? Shh. Go to sleep. It's all gonna be okay. I'll be right here until you fall asleep. Just take a deep breath. In through your nose. Come on, let's do it together. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. Can you feel the texture of my hand against yours? Can you smell the aroma of the diffuser in the room? Can you hear my voice? Can you taste the mint? And can you see me? It's okay. Come here. Good night.